All right, this text is called the miser. And a miser is a word for someone who has a lot of money but likes to just save it and not spend it. So it's a person, it's called hoarding your money, where you just like money, you want to just keep it all. So that's what a miser is. Give you some context for the story. So you'll read the story and then there's some questions. Notice the first one is to circle 5 words with vowel consonant E. Now be careful because there's some words that follow that pattern, but we don't pronounce the long vowel, but I want you to find ones that have that long vowel sound because of the vowel consonant E. Okay? So for example, the word there technically has a vowel consonant E, but this E does not make this E say its name. We don't say this there. Okay? So that one is not one that I would want you to circle. Whereas the word same in this last sentence here does follow that pattern because it's vowel consonant E, and this A says its name. It is a long vowel. So I do want the vowel consonant E words that you find to have that long vowel sound in them. All right? And then you're just answering some comprehension questions. In number 4, it includes what is your opinion of the solution. So don't forget the second piece of the question. Okay, so read carefully or listen to it as always. Let me know if you need help. Your word today is. Is your word for today. Make sure to make a note of that so you can write it down at the end of the week. Again, I know some of you have like a Google Doc. You can keep track of it there. You can write it down in your notebook or a paper, but I know sometimes that those can get lost. So a Google Doc cannot get lost like a paper can. All right, good luck.